In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over the countdown widget. The countdown widget can be used to count down to a specific date and time. And once it reaches that, it'll display a link if you choose. To create one, you simply add a widget. The countdown timer is right here near the top. And once you create one, you'll be able to add some titles. So now, if you notice, I've created it and it's created the title, but because I haven't set an actual date or time yet, nothing is displayed. So you would simply click the calendar here, and you can choose a date and time. You can also type it in manually if you'd like as well. You can choose which time zone you'd like. We have all the time zones. And then here is where you would type the URL that would be displayed once the timer is up. For additional options, we have the ability to require users to log in before they can actually view the timer. So if you want this to be members only, they can view this, or mobile only or desktop only. And for additional styles, we have all the same basic additional styles where you can adjust the desktop space as well as the custom class if you know any CSS. You can also choose a nice background if you want. So let's go ahead and make just a basic bluish background. Now we have our date and our time and everything set. So we simply save this. And you'll see it has now created a countdown timer with that blue background. It'll count down to that. Once that countdown is reached, it'll display that link. Very easy to use, and have a great day.